Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a mid-month check-in of my July budget. I'll just be going through and filling in some numbers of some bills that have been paid so far. And first things first, we have giving at $130 for the first part of the month. Next thing, a mortgage was paid at $1,000. Now I'm just flipping over to my monthly view and marking that bill out. The next bill that was paid was the DirecTV Now, and that was at $58.85. And yeah, I'm gonna flip over and mark that bill out from my monthly view, marking that it's paid. The next bill that was paid was the life insurance at $11.69. My first Capital One was at $95. And my second Capital One card at $74. So for my iTunes, I have 3 iTunes payments that come out each month, and the first 2 have come out, and I believe that's the one for $5.34 and 99 cents. And I'm just gonna fill that in, $5.34 and 95 cents. Next thing that is up on the roster. Oh, I put that in the wrong spot. Now I need to go find some whiteout. I just want to say, for whoever created this whiteout stick, you are so awesome in every which way, because that liquid whiteout is not the business at all whatsoever. Okay, so I have that whited out. I'm going to put that in the right spot for iTunes, $5.34 and 99 cents. Next up in the list is savings. I have contributed $40 towards that. Let's see. I will handle the breakdown of the grocery, household, gas, and daycare on the next sheet, which is my weekly breakdown for those categories. Oh yes, and the State Farm for my car insurance and the water bill, they will be due on tomorrow, but I will go ahead and pay them today. So that water bill will be $61.99, and the State Farm is $137.51. Now I'm going to flip back over to my overall monthly view and just mark out the bills that I have already paid. I forgot to mention, when I budgeted for $924 in other income. And so far for this month, in the month of July, I have actually received $1,240. Most of it is just reimbursements from payments that I've made for bills that my spouse and I share. So moving along to my paycheck to paycheck for the first paycheck and my weekly breakdowns. So this is where I just go through and just mark off. I know it was like a checks and balance system, but just checking off, just making sure that the bills that were supposed to fall within this paycheck, that I did actually pay them. Next up is my weekly breakdowns. First category that's up is for grocery. For week 1, I spent $87.92. For week 2, the first time I went to the store was I spent $147.39. The second time that I went to the store, this was for my Kroger deal shopping that happened on a Friday and Saturday deal that they had. I spent $32.98. I will link an eye up in the sky for that video if you would like to watch. But for week 1 and week 2, my total grocery spending came to $268.29. And my monthly grocery budget was $300. And I know by now that I am going to go over but hopefully not by much. But my remaining grocery balance for the month is $31.71. My next breakdown category is gas. And for week 1, I spent $53.07. For week 2, I spent $61.85. I actually made 2 trips to the gas station. We had a storm coming this way, and I just wanted to make sure I had a full tank of gas, just in case everything did not turn out well from the storm. But my total for week 1 and week 2 was $114.92. And I would have a remaining balance in my gasoline budget of $85.08. And this is to last me for the next 2 weeks. In this budget, I have a $200 gas budget. So next category that's up is daycare. Of course, this shouldn't change, or it's not going to be changing much for each week. I pay $161.76, and I use this category just to keep track of in the event that I don't actually have to pay for a week, that someone else will be covering that for me. But that total for 2 weeks is $323.52. I know y'all have heard me say this before, but I cannot wait until somebody can start keeping themselves and their sibling, because child care is outrageous. And this is on the cheap end, I know. But the remaining daycare budget is $323.52. So on the paycheck to paycheck, let's see. We have covered gas. We have covered savings. We have covered grocery. And the girls' field trip money for this pay period. We will still have some left over, but we will be using all $65.40 of that. I did not have any household that came out this pay period. So this is all for my mid-month recap. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.